Hey guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us this week, and also thanks for the Tip Tuesday ideas last week when we called for your ideas and some of your feedback on what you want to learn about. So this week we're going to talk about an idea that was presented to us regarding equity in your home and how to use that towards a new building project. We got a lot of clients that own their current homes. They want to use the equity out of those homes, or they want to sell those homes and take the equity out of the homes that they sell to put towards that new building project. And a lot of times they don't want to sell until they actually have the new construction completed so they have a place to live. So there's a couple of different options, actually several. My first advice or my first tip would be to really consult your lending institution, your local bank, who you work with, or one of our lending partners. We work closely with several lending partners. I'll provide the name of one in particular that you can contact at the end of this video, and I'll provide that contact info. But talk to your lending institution. There's several options. One is going to be to sell the current home in this current market. In a lot of locations, the market is really good. It's a good time to sell. And then you can use that equity to find some type of temporary housing, whether it's an apartment or some type of temporary rental house that you can live in during the time that you're building the new project, and then you can use that equity to put towards the design and estimating and engineering process to get this thing estimated in turnkey so that you know what's left over, or that you know what you need to finance the remainder for. So, selling your current home is one option, and using the equity out of that home to start the new build. The second is what we call a HELOC, which is a home equity line of credit. You're in essence just borrowing against that equity that you have in your home and using it towards the new building project. A HELOC is a very common thing to do. You can talk to your lending institution about the different options for that. And then the third is basically a bridge loan, where you're in essence cross-collateralizing the equity out of a current home into the new build, and then when you get the existing home sold, you can pay off that loan and start financing on the new construction. And so those are several different options of what to do with this equity that I've got in my home. A lot of us has been paying on our homes for many years. We've got a lot of equity built up in our current homes, our existing homes, and we want to figure out how to put that towards a new construction project. So those are just some tips, some different ideas on some things that are available to be able to use the equity out of your current home. But again, I would encourage you to talk to some of our lending partners. One of them in particular is Catherine Greenfield at Rural First. I will provide her contact information. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call her, or you can call us anytime, and we're certainly happy to help. Hopefully this has been helpful today. Thanks again for joining us for Tip Tuesday. Please keep your ideas coming, and we look forward to you joining us next week for more Tip Tuesday. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Take care.